Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Epic Games cannot connect online. So in order to go ahead and fix your cannot connect online issue in Epic Games, the first thing you want to do is check the Epic Games status page. What you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Epic Games status, just like that, and click on the first link. And as you can see, it says all systems are operational, which means everything is working just fine, and it's not them, it's your problem. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and clear the Epic Games launcher cache. Simply press Windows plus R and then write %localappdata %, click on OK and look for Epic Games launcher. Simply delete all the folders inside of the file, which will definitely go ahead and fix your problem. The other thing you want to do is right click on the networks and internet settings and then go to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're using. Inside a DNS server assignment, click on edit. It is going to be on automatic for you. Simply turn it to manual, turn on the IPv4 and then put the preferred DNS as 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS as 8.8.4.4 and save it. Now it should definitely fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.